Imagine this. Exam results are ready, deadlines are tight, and you need to generate hundreds of student marks cards, each with accurate marks, grades, and even student photos. Doing this manually or struggling with traditional mail merge can turn into a nightmare. What if all of this could be done automatically, accurately, and in just one click? That's exactly where PDF Fusion comes in. PDFs are the backbone of official documentation in education. They preserve layout, formatting, and accuracy across devices, making them ideal for marks cards, certificates, reports, and academic records. PDFs are secure, easy to print, and trusted by institutions worldwide for formal communication. Many institutions rely on Microsoft Word Mail Merge to generate marks cards using Excel data. While it works well for text-based fields like student names, roll numbers, and marks, it has a major limitation: handling images. Inserting student photos dynamically is complicated, often requiring field codes or VBA, and becomes difficult to manage at scale. This makes Word Mail Merge inefficient for generating professional marks cards with photos. PDF Fusion solves this problem completely. Let's see how PDF Fusion generates student marks cards, including student photos, using structured data from Excel. First, open the PDF Fusion application, go to the File Manager and click on New File. Enter the file name and choose the data directory where you want to store the project. Use the Browse button to select the folder, and if this will be your regular working location, click Set as default. Save the details and close the File Manager. Next, open the Document Organizer. This is where you define the document type and the data source. In this example, we will generate marks card reports for all students in a class. Now add the marks card template, click on New and select Word as the document type. Browse and select the Word template file. Choose the export type. Here, select Entire File and click Save. All pages from the template will now appear in a grid view. You can review the page sequence and print order here. If needed, use the up arrow and down arrow buttons to rearrange pages. Once everything looks right, click on Generate PDF. Select the output folder and enter the output file name. Now, enable Create PDF by replacing values for the fields. Browse and select the CSV file and choose the required sheet name. This CSV file contains all student information in a row-wise format: student name, roll number, subject-wise marks, total grade, rank, attendance percentage, and even a file path to the student photo. PDF Fusion automatically replaces all fields in the Word template and inserts the correct student photo by referring to the image path. This is how you can generate professional marks cards with student photos without manual effort. Click on Generate PDF. Within seconds, clean, well-formatted student marks card PDFs are created in the output folder, accurate, consistent, and ready for distribution. And this is just one use case. PDF Fusion can also act as a powerful document merger, combining content from Word, Excel, DWG, and existing PDF files. At CAD Superuser, we have delivered document automation solutions for a wide range of industry requirements. Watch other videos on this channel to explore the full potential of PDF Fusion. If you're tired of manually inserting images in Word and want a smarter, faster, and more reliable solution, book a live demonstration today to get a customized demo tailored to your workflow and discuss pricing details. Experience how PDF Fusion can truly transform the way you create PDFs.